Ka Ophis District Social Welfare Officer Jowai hagakat South Jilio, kala pelong yang jingai rally daki thuk hapo kalama jong kanasha mukt Bharat Abhiyan, ban pensyai patba ahlur ka jingshar kei jong udrong. Ya kanika rally la sedang da jingkawe lama da u additional SP u Ishan Gupta IPS na District Library Mentong Jowai, bat yai ling bai ke jaka jong kasar Jowai, bat penkut hawa ya rong mi mentedu, lingba ka jingpen priang ya ke kubor jong ka imlang salang ka balait na udrok. Ha ka jingkren uni uhe pulit ula banjur ba ka jingpedan kam ya udrok ka bu ka jingma ka bakraw ya kinong pendan kam kumju ya ka imlang ka salang. Haba batay kum ka jing bala sakhi ha ka perthei baro kawai ulak do bakat ba kitna sorkar ba pher kumju ki kinhuan seng kila shim ya laki jong ki benta banya khon pyrshah ya ka jing ula ong baka longru ka bakongsan kumju ya ka imlang salang bakin mi syakmat banlong kinong rak khubor na ka benta ka jingkala. Ka jila Meghalaya kamtam ka rilum jaintia kadai ka bala kerku kerdo da ka mariang ber ka jingsong ka jing internet ba ka jing ruspa ha ka call shore ka bahir pateng. Kinong shong shnong ka ni ka than ki depan lek kemen halur kini ki jing kerku da ka ba pdiang ki rukam im ka ba khuj ba suba bar ka ba koit ba kya ki badan tenrai ha ka riti ka dustur omling ba ka jing pendan kam ye ki jing di ki ba sniu. Ula khot ru ya baro kinong shong shnong ban ya da ya ka baha kamiat bat penek pensa ya ka jingklan jong ka imlang salang na ka benta ki pateng ki banwan. Si benta ha ka jing persyang ka barang ya syakmat ban wengi ki jing ki baya dei ba ka jing nang kiu ha ka jing don ki ba kerni ha udrong ki riu syampang ki ba kentop ya uba FGN Ringa District Mission Coordinator District Hub for Empowerment ba di Nong Tudu OC Jowai Police Station ba JK Majau Jowai Police bat ubak si Langstang Ambassador Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan Campaign kila kedo halur ke sinjam ki bakongsan ki bala ban ajing ada kajing pensengut hu bat pensyai patba bat kajing trailang happening ki nong shnong. Ya kanika program la penyai da kong Y Kendan Gender Specialist District Hub for Empowerment of Women kat ba ya kajing kran ai kublei la yo ling ba ka kong Y Najer DSWO Jowai.
The fight against drugs is a big fight. It's a fight worth fighting. And as we see the epidemic of drugs take over, it is spreading across the younger generation. And of course, all the departments, they are doing their bit. There's still so much to do. And today as we gather here, it's a very important milestone in spreading the message of Nashamukt Bharat. We will be raising slogans, we'll be marching, we'll be discussing with people. We urge all of you to individually as well to spread the message of Nashamukti and the importance of living life without the high of substances. There is already so much. Meghalaya is a beautiful state, it's a beautiful place. Jowai, West Jaintia Hills. Enjoy the natural beauty, enjoy the culture, community, but not drugs and substances. With that, we would like to flag off the march and the bike rally and hope to see you all on the other end of the rally. Thank you.
Come to a district hub for empowerment of women. Dapat mandi ya ka bike rally. Come to benta daw kanasa mo Bharat Abhiyan. Kanasa mo Bharat Abhiyan. Oh, kakasa na o ito pagkina ya mo 25. Ako ang district sa danya kanito kami. Ito ato unawan ko Nasha Mukh Bharat ASEAN berang da Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment yung Sarkar India na do khat bantarit bunay prang yang arajar at